Once again friend, welcome to your channel. Today we will discuss about Gcash application. Here you can see an error, something went wrong, internal server error, how to fix it. In this video we can discuss about this problem. I can tell you some steps you can follow and your problem will be fixed. First of all, you can check your internet connection. Scroll down your notification bar down and here you can see aeroplane mode. First you turn on and after some time tap again. This option will be turned off and your network and internet speed will automatically fix. And you can check again your problem will be solved or not. If your problem not solved, go to next step. Here you can find mobile setting and tap on it and scroll down. You can find apps option. Click on this and manage apps. Tap. Here you can see a search bar and in search bar you can type Gcash. Application is here. You can tap this. You can see a new screen. You can tap clear data. You can done clear cache here. After this you can back and open Play Store. Click on search bar and search Gcash application. Here you can see an update on Gcash application. If you can see here update, so please update your application, and you cannot see the update, you can back this, and after this your problem not be solved. You can long press on Gcash application and uninstall. Again you can open Play Store and install again. After this process you can open Gcash application again. Your problem will be solved. If your problem will be solved with the help of our video, please like this video and subscribe our channel.